Have you ever wondered what lurks behind the screens of social media? Picture this. John, a regular guy just like you and me, wakes up one morning to find his bank account drained. His identity was stolen by a fake social media profile he thought was a friend. Or consider Sarah, who faced relentless cyberbullying from an anonymous troll hiding behind a counterfeit account. These are not isolated incidents. In the vast digital landscape, countless individuals fall prey to the cunning and deceit of fake social media accounts. These phantoms of the internet prey on trust and exploit vulnerability, leaving a trail of devastation from financial ruin to psychological trauma. But imagine a world where you can separate the real from the fake, where you can navigate the digital realm with confidence. This is the world of verified social media accounts. These bastions of authenticity provide a shield against the onslaught of online deception. Listen to James, a satisfied user of a verified account. It's like a breath of fresh air. I can finally trust the connections I make online. Or Lisa, who says, verified social media have changed the game. I feel safe, secure, and in control. The transformative power of honest social media is undeniable. It offers a beacon of hope in the dark underbelly of the internet, a fortress against the shadows of deceit. So, as we venture deeper into the digital age, the question is, will you continue to play the risky game of chance with unverified profiles, or will you choose the safer path? Take a stand against digital deception. Protect your online identity. Embrace the security and peace of mind that comes with exploring what HUMBL.com has to offer. Don't just exist in the digital world, thrive in it. Make the switch to HUMBL today. The choice is yours.